Welcome. Today we'll be constructing a signaling circuit. Now this signaling circuit consists of the following devices: a buzzer, bell, pair of push buttons, transformer, and our conductors. The tools that we'll be using today to construct this circuit is a small flathead screwdriver and our combination pliers. This will be used to strip the ends of the wires. Because these are low voltage devices, the transformer we'll be using today is a step-down transformer, which will decrease the voltage from 120 to 10 volts. And also the size wire we'll be using today is a number 16 AWG, low voltage wires. Here I have my devices placed out on the table. Now, let's begin. The same rules apply as if you're wiring any circuit. First, you figure out what type of circuit configuration it is. Because we're using two devices controlled independently. So what type of circuit configuration, and one source. So what type of circuit configuration this is? Okay, so let's begin. Now on our devices, you see we have two terminals, one on the body of the device and the other one is connected to the, what are these? Coils, good, which create the electromagnet to give this the buzzing sound. Same thing here on the buzzer as well. So where we have the ones that is connected to the coils which create electromagnet, these ones will be going directly to our switches, okay? And the ones on the body will go directly to our source on our transformer here. Okay, let's go. Start by stripping my wires, ends of my wires with my pliers. Now, this at times might be a little bit difficult because of the size wire. But with a little practice, you'll get it. Now we're going to do these devices one at a time, so you see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's start with our bell. Now, start with the terminal on the base or on the body. Make a hook with our wires. So that's one end. We'll take our transformer terminals. Now this is a AC device, so it doesn't matter which side you put the terminal on. It doesn't matter which terminal you put the wires on, sorry. There we go. Now for our switch. Some of these wires already have pre-cut and stripped for this exercise and for the sake of time. Now you might ask, why am I using so many different color wires? Because these are low voltage devices, the color code isn't really applied here, really matters here. I'm just using these multiple color wires so you could see where I have these wires connected. There you go. So there we have our doorbell, almost completed. Now let's go to our buzzer. Now remember I said it's a parallel circuit, okay? So we're going to interconnect the two bodies together, which in turn goes to our transformer. So I mean, this could be done two ways. You could interconnect them here, or you could have two separate wires running from here to the transformer, and also from this one to the transformer. Now, so whichever way would be correct. That's for the one which would act as the neutral wire. Okay. Now the same thing with the switches. Now the wires that goes to from the switch to our transformer, which would be this green wire here. And let me use a white wire for the buzzer. So here we're going to join these two together. This is where they get this, and connect them to the transformer. So so they could be energized. Okay, there we have it. Now let's do our inspection to make sure everything is wired correctly. So let's start with our doorbell. Bring the camera in a little bit closer. So there we have trace the blue wire, starts from there all the way to the push button. From the push button to our transformer. Let's do our buzzer. Green wire to the body there, and to the push button, and from the push button to our transformer. Now, let us energize this circuit, see what it does. Remember, safety paramount. Okay, so let's do our doorbell. There we go. Now let's try our buzzer. There you have it, our combination circuit, which consists of a bell and a buzzer. Now you might ask, where would this circuit be applicable? In our homes. Most homes have multiple entrances. So by placing a push button at one of these entrances, you could easily identify when someone comes to your home and know which entrance to go to, whether it's the front, back, or side door. Thank you for watching.